Hey there everyone, Caitlin here, your geeky girlfriend, and how many of you watching this video love makeup? If you raised your hand, then this video is for you because I am so excited to announce a collab that caters directly to my friends who love makeup. Now, disclaimer, I don't love makeup. I have a lot of functional, practical, neutral makeup. Sometimes I'll do like a fun eye or obviously a red lip when I need to match a certain look, like for example if I'm going to the Taylor Swift concert or if I'm trying to match a certain look. I've done like some costume makeup, so I use makeup sometimes as an expression, or if I just really want like a fun color to match a shirt or bring out a color in a blouse or something like that. So I mostly use eye makeup. I am not a user of foundation. I use concealer and a moisturizer, face wash just as part of my shower routine. And then my biggest makeup routines are mascara, eyeshadow, and eyeliner, and it's very minimal, basic, neutral, as I said. So I have a functional, practical purpose for makeup, but I would not consider myself a makeup lover. Now, that being said, how many of you are vegan or like handmade makeup products that do not contain harmful ingredients? I think we can all raise our hand to that. Maybe not the fully vegan part. I myself am not a vegan, but I do appreciate handmade products that are not harmful to animals or the environment. So I have a brand for you all that I think if you answered yes to any of those questions, you will love. Their name is Mellow Cosmetics, M-E-L-L-O-W. And so today's video is going to be an unboxing of my Mellow Cosmetics order. Now, like I said, I am not in any means a makeup professional, a makeup artist, or a makeup aficionado. Most of my makeup comes from Walmart, the Dollar Tree, or Five Below. So I like very affordable makeup that gets the job done and that, gets the look or the aesthetic that I want. I don't really follow very many big makeup trends, and like I said, I am not a daily wearer of makeup. Most of the days, as you've seen in most of these videos, I don't even have any makeup on, or if I do, it's very minimal. So I am not a makeup connoisseur, but I was intrigued by these products that I ordered because I was in the need for some new anyway, or was looking for a particular thing. So let's dive into this package and see what I got, and maybe some of you will want to go try them out for yourselves. I do obviously have a lip color on because of some other content that I was creating. So I'm going to be doing swatch samples on my arms, and I will also model how I typically style my makeup. So it looks like everything I ordered was in this one package, so that's awesome. Shipping was super fast. This was one of my quickest packages to receive from any of the brands that I have advertised here. Again, this is Mellow Cosmetics, and I do have a code which you can use to get a discount on your purchase. And the products are honestly so affordable. So I'll go ahead and just, real truth, real talk, share the prices with you guys. The eyeshadow palette, which I'm going to show you, $8. The eyeliner, which I'm going to show you, which was like one of their featured products, was $18. That was full price. The $8 were all the sale items. So they were having a sale, and the discount codes apply on the sale items. So I got 2 eyeshadows, which were $8 a piece, and a black eyeliner, and then a chocolate chip eyeliner, which was like their selling point. It's like the one that they were advertising because it's their newest combination. And so I'm excited to show you guys all that I ordered, and I was even more excited about the price. I was a little bit nervous when I first got onto their website because most of the high-end makeup companies are expensive. You know, Sephora, MAC, those are the ones that I'm talking about. They are expensive to get a palette or some eyeliner that's good quality, but Mellow competes at a very affordable rate. So I'm very excited. I was very excited about that. Okay, so let's start with the eyeshadow palettes. Now, Mellow does have a wide variety of palettes. They do have 6 color, 4 color, and then single shade palettes. And I was just looking for some very basic colors, so I went ahead and ordered the single cream. And this is the mineral eyeshadow. And it says that it is baked, and that's their whole MO. Everything is handmade, so everything is baked, or it's mineral, it's organic, which I love. So I went ahead and ordered the single color in cream. So let's take a look at that. And then I also ordered the Jade Green, which honestly, it looks a little gray. So this, but we'll see. It looks a little bit on the charcoal side, but it was supposed to be, oh, no. Okay, once I took it out of the box, it is more of a green. So to you all, it is probably going to have a green, but out of the box, it looks much more like the color that I ordered. So let's take a look at the pigmentation of these. I'm going to do the standard swatch on my arm, which I learned from other videos. So thank you to all the makeup artists that I have followed to show me the best way to show viewers a color. So it is, I'm trying to get you guys the full scope here. Put a little bit more on the upper. So it is like a deep olive green, but it's exactly the color that I was looking for. I was looking for a sage olive green, and that's exactly what I got. So the color does deliver. It is deep in pigmentation. This would be 3 coats, so obviously a light swatch is going to be a very pastel. But even after I'm trying to rub it off, you can still see it on my finger. So it's going to be deep in pigmentation. Again, on sale, this was $8 for this rich color. So now let's look at the cream. The cream is probably going to be a little bit harder for you guys in the video to see, but I'm going to try my best to give you a good swatch. Ooh! That is so pretty. It has like a shimmer. I'm not sure if you guys will be able to see it. I'm going to put it on my finger. Look at that shimmer. That is so beautiful. So this is going to be, you can see it better there. Look at that. Wow. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. This is going to be perfect for my judging when I want something totally neutral and like understated, but against the jade, it just looks so pretty right next to each other. It's really making me regret not ordering the 4 color palette, you guys. Like this, oh my god, look at that color. OMG. That is beautiful. So that's the cream baked eyeshadow, and it is just gorgeous. I mean, I'm like mesmerized by the shimmer, and I love makeup that's like so neutral, but it still stands out because it's like shimmery and sparkly, and that cream eyeshadow just fit the bill perfectly. And every time I move my arm, it's shimmering, and I love that. So that is super great quality color. I am already obsessed with this, and I haven't even worn it yet. I kind of want to see what it looks like on the eye, actually. Wow. I mean, look, just like a little bit adds like a lot of color and personality. And again, I am not a professional makeup artist, so I'm probably not doing like the proper application. I'm just trying to show you guys. So that's like 2 coats. Look how shimmery that is. Oh, wow. Wow. So, and you can see the difference between this is nothing and this is 2 coats of the shimmer. So again, super natural, almost completely looks like my natural skin tone, just with some, it just looks like I used highlighting powder, and it just looks so pretty. I'm so obsessed. Okay, moving on from the baked eyeshadow, that was amazing. And again, I got that on sale, so it was $8. Even through my glasses, you can still see it a little bit. $8. I just can't with the price, and it is so pretty. Okay, so I got those 2 baked eyeshadows. And again, don't be alarmed because the boxes did throw the color off. You saw how shocked I was when I first got out the jade green, and it turned out to be a beautiful shade of jade. Ha ha ha. Shade of jade. So, great there. Now, the next thing I'm going to show you guys is the basic black eyeliner. So they advertise their eyeliner as mineral eyeliner. I do prefer twist eyeliner, and I needed a new one anyway, so this was just this. I feel like it lasts a little bit longer because you can just twist out what you need and then you know, just apply it. I'm just testing to see. Yep, nice and sharp. Again, no judging on the application because I'm not an MUA, so I just am testing like the pigment. Wow, nice and thick, nice and dark. Great. So again, another high quality product on sale for $8, and I love the tube. I think it is high quality. The twisting, like you can actually, there's a lot in here, and then it twists all the way down, and it kind of, like, you get to a point where you get resistance, obviously. So again, like, nice pigmentation, gives a nice line. Another great, awesome product. This is the Auto Twist Black Eyeliner from Mellow. So 3 for 3 so far, guys, on their products. And then the last one was the only one that I paid full price for because it just looked so appealing to me. This is the one that they, like when I got on their website, they were advertising this. This is the Chocolate Chip Brown Eyeliner, which I did need a brown liner. So I was so intrigued. And this one also is in the twist. So I was even more intrigued by it. So here, nice smooth twist. So there is the brown. I'm going to sample this one on my arm and then show it for you guys so you guys can see the color. Again, this was being advertised on their website. It's like one of their new colors, and it's chocolate chip brown. Now, obviously in the video, you're not going to be able to see it, but I did want to show you how nice of a line it makes. Nice and straight. You can kind of tell that it's chocolate chip brown. But I just love this deep, dark brown. And I was in the market for a brown liner anyway, so this one just came at the perfect time. So I got 4 products. I love every single one of them. The Auto Twist Black Eyeliner has a nice line. It's a nice dark pigment. The chocolate chip liner, sometimes they like smell, but this one I can't tell if it has a special scent or not, because sometimes they like have a, oh, it does kind of smell sweet. I have a makeup palette that like all of them smell so good. And so I was wondering if maybe Mellow Stuff did as well since it was baked, but it doesn't appear that it has a special smell. That's okay. Still high quality. I think my favorite out of all 4 is the cream baked eyeshadow. That's going to be the one that I highly recommend for all of you watching. Again, just look at the shimmer. I do love the black eyeliner, and mine that I have that's twist is almost out, so that was just a perfect replacement product. Again, I'm very functional and practical with my makeup, so I usually buy things that I need, not just because it's a hot trend or like everybody on the internet has it. So I bought things that I needed to add to my makeup bag, but they have great products for like lips, lip stains, lip glosses. They have all different colors of eyeliner. They do have eyeshadow palettes of 6 and 4 color. They have shimmer, they have foundation, they have every makeup product that you could want, and at an affordable price, and it's all high quality. It shipped fast, and you can use my code and save even more on your high quality, affordable makeup products from Mellow Cosmetics. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Again, I am not a makeup professional. I am not a makeup artist. So please do not judge my quality of application because it serves the purpose of being functional and practical. And I hope that you guys will check out their products because, again, high quality pigments, high quality colors, especially this cream. I'm definitely going to be probably pursuing a 4-color palette very, very soon. Of like their browns. They have a neutrals and a browns that I was really, really torn and I almost bought when I ordered, and I really wish that I would have. So I'm definitely going to be making another order very, very soon of a 4-color palette for sure. So if you are anywhere into makeup, definitely give Mellow a try. A lipstick, a lip stain, an eyeliner, a shadow, a palette, anything. They are great. I'm so impressed with the products that I got. So impressed with the price. And I will definitely be making another order very, very soon. And I hope that you guys will as well. Use my code. Save yourself some money on these affordable, great products. Let me know what you got. Let me know what you like or what you want in the comments of this video. And I can help you find it on their website, which you can also find a link to via their Instagram tag on my bio and in my collabs highlight here on my page. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you enjoyed this one. Have fun. Have a great time with your new makeup products, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye, guys.